Blaine Daws, co-founder of Wanted. We're an AI infrastructure NVIDIA consultancy focused on AI deployments across Europe.
You were just telling me that you were one of the first people to help create NVIDIA.
Yeah, so if I wind back to my background was from executive search, and in my previous business, we were one of the early partners in 2016 when no one really heard of NVIDIA and they were just a gaming company. So it wasn't as big, and I think back then, roughly their share price might have been about $50 or $60 a share. And obviously, where they are today is just not what they was. So yeah, we were part of building out their executive function in Europe and scaling it up pretty quickly.
So let's talk about your business then. So Wanted grew from a need for what?
So Wanted was just basically born to disrupt the market. So I knew NVIDIA were focusing on more of the neo-cloud market before it was even going to be kind of a neo-cloud market. So it was always about kind of getting ahead of the curve, because I think if you're going to create a business, then you need a niche, because if not, you're just going to get left behind. So the niche was that we were just going to follow NVIDIA on all the trends that they do. So whether that was back then like H100, which is now GB300s, for example, in the NVIDIA world, we just wanted to follow that trend. And we always wanted to make sure we kind of had the right people behind us to support those deployments, because obviously with those deployments, you need thousands and thousands of people. And most organizations, they need it done very fast. And we was able to get things done extremely fast. And I spoke about earlier on a panel today, and I think the most common trend was right now, the most headache is power and talent. Obviously, I can't solve the power and grid issue, but I could solve the talent issue. And that's kind of what made Wanted grow to kind of what it is today.
In terms of like your staff retention and keeping everyone in-house, you're all fishing from the same pool.
Yeah.
So how do people come to you instead of going to
another partner? Yeah, I think it's a good question. I think most of it is who you work with. Obviously, we were very lucky to partner with organisations like CoreWeave, who are technically the biggest neo-cloud provider. So we've always had like great labels to work with, or brands, or whatever you want to classify them as. So I think that helps for sure. And I think equally, where it's such a niche market, people want to join it. They want to be part of it. And I'm a big believer in being part of the journey. And we're a small knit team as well, work very closely together. And most of our business is referral led.
So what's next for Wanted then? What's the most important thing looking ahead to 2030?
Just, keep on building the people so we can deploy what everybody wants. I think the people challenge we suffer the most of, because obviously if the customer can't find them, we need to find the solution how we can find them, because if not, we don't exist, because we're a people-based business. So I think, just continuing to, get the brand out there, continue to, work with NVIDIA and its neo-cloud partners, and just be part of some really good programs of work.